Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making spicy baked tamarind chicken wings. To start this dish, we need to blot off any excess moisture from 2 pounds of chicken wings and drumettes. I am just putting this over a foil-lined baking sheet and a cooling rack. Now ideally I would have put this overnight uncovered in the fridge to dry out that skin a little bit, but I forgot, so we're going to pop this in the fridge for uncovered for 3 hours. While those are drying out in the refrigerator, we can work on our aromatics. We need 6 fresh chili peppers. I'm using bird's eye chilies here, which are very, very spicy. So if your heat level isn't as tolerant, choose a less spicy pepper like a jalapéno. I'm going to put little adjustments in the description box ingredients. So you have an option for medium, spicy, and atomic. We're just giving these a little rough chop and popping them into a bowl. We also need 2 ounces of fresh ginger, just rough chopping this because this is all going to get blitzed up. So giving this a nice little choppy chop up into nice big chunks. We also need 3 cloves of garlic, simply smashing these. Now, if you've never worked with palm sugar, this is what it looks like. You can get it from the Asian grocery store or even from Amazon. We need 2 ounces of it. If you can't find palm sugar, you can substitute this with 2 tablespoons of regular brown sugar, just giving these a little rough chop as well. Over medium heat, I'm roasting up 18, yes, I said 18 arval chilies. Again, we'll make some adjustments in the description if you can't tolerate that much heat. We're going to let those roast for about 5 minutes before adding them to the pitcher of a food processor or to a blender. We're going to add in a half cup of boiling water, all of our aromatics that we just roughly chopped up, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce for that saltiness and umami, and 6 tablespoons of tamarind paste, which you can also get at the Asian grocery store or from Amazon. I actually made my own, just shelled the tamarind, poured in some boiling water, covered that up for 30 minutes, went in, gave it a stir every now and then squished it around and passed it through a strainer until I got this gorgeous paste. Tamarind is sour and just a little sweet. It adds so much flavor. We're going to blend that up until it's blended down smoothly, and then we're going to add it back to the pan that we roasted our chilies in. We're going to let this cook and reduce down for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to add in a half teaspoon of salt here just to kick up the flavor. You want to give this a taste, and I was missing the tamarind, so we're going to add 2 more tablespoons of the tamarind paste, so that's 8 total. Again, this will be adjusted in the description box. Now you're going to know this is done when you can run a spatula through and the 2 sides stay apart. We're going to let that cool down for a second before adding that into our chicken wings. I've just placed the chicken wings into a large bowl. And we're going to get in with our gloved hands. Remember, food safety first. And we're going to toss this around until all those wings are coated. You should also be preheating your oven to 370 degrees right now. Now on that same rack, I'm going to space out our chicken wings and drumettes, just leaving a little room in between. And we're going to bake this in the oven at 370 for 45 minutes, but going in after 25 minutes and spinning the tray around so it heats evenly. After 45 minutes, you're going to want to jack up the heat to 400 and let that cook for 20 more minutes until it gets lovely and brown. Now to plate, I'm garnishing with a little chopped scallion and some sesame seeds, and this is looking gorgeous. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. These are very spicy and sound probably one of the spicier things I've made. My partner did actually end up loving them because he loves spicy food as well. The chicken is still tender and juicy inside. You definitely get smacked in the face from the heat, but you taste the sourness of that tamarind. You taste the garlic and the spiciness of the ginger, and these are absolutely delicious and satisfying. But there they are, spicy tamarind baked chicken wings. I really do hope you all try to make these in your home. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really do appreciate it. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.